Hi everyone, it's Harrison here from MicroVolt with the lovely Benzina Duo Plus behind me. I'm Brighton seafront today in the glorious sunshine. So I'm here to show you what this vehicle is all about before it heads out to a lovely customer. So this is our Duo Plus model with a range of 60 miles on a full charge and a top speed of 40 miles an hour, meaning it's an L3 category vehicle. You do need a license for this specific model. A CBT will do, so it's perfect for your local delivery guys. As you can see, this one's extremely popular with a certain delivery firm. So one of the most unique selling points about this specific bike compared to other electric bikes is the swappable batteries, meaning if you had a delivery round that had a few different drivers throughout the day, one vehicle, morning, afternoon, night, swap the battery. There's no downtime on this bike. With a fast recharge time, it's perfect for any local delivery firms that have a busy delivery day, and it can keep the vehicle out on the road. With a carry rate of about 200 kilograms on the back of this bike, it can take pretty much any rider with anything in the back of it. That is one of the greatest points about this bike compared to our competitors. The bike features some of the latest technology with a digital dash showing range, charging speed, mileage, how far you've got left to go. Full safety features such as your indicators, front lights, rear lights, meaning your driver is going to be seen on the road, which we know is important, especially when we see at the moment so many drivers that can't be seen on the roads on similar bikes. The Benzina is keeping your drivers safe. Keyless entry, meaning the bike can be alarmed and disalarmed remotely from the key. With front brake discs and a rear drum, keeping everyone safe on the road. It's got the latest and greatest safety features. So that is the Benzina Duo Plus, one of our new flagship models coming to the MicroVolt range. So if you are interested in learning more about lightweight electric vehicles, electric bikes, do check out the website because we have a whole range of vehicles to suit your needs. Thank you very much for watching and we hope to see you soon.